the one who comes first is the leader. So that's what we are.
Just I'm sitting here, that's what I said.
Okay. So you are not leader. Okay.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
So my name is Prashant, and I am here to express some few opinions or a few my things in front of you. Okay, now we are celebrating the Father's Day, but we haven't realized these things before this. Even once we became a father, now being as a father, now we are realizing few things that what our fathers gave us in our life, how they build our life, and how they made us, basically, in short. Because everything what we are here because of them only, because of their inputs, because of their dedications, contributions in our life. And now we are realizing these things. Now when we became father, so I would like to say my father to thanks Kaka. I said Kaka to my father, and I will request God. Same thing I will pass on to my son, so that he will also at least be like a human being, good human being, and okay, that's all.
Yes.